Hello, today I am going to show you how to make natural chemical free liquid soap using soap nuts, also known as reetha. This can be used as hand wash, dishwash, bathing and even for laundry, all from one simple ingredient. Here I have taken a handful of soap nuts and added about 500 ml of water. These are soap nuts, also called reetha or soap berries. They contain saponin, a natural cleaning agent that produces foam when mixed with water. Now, I'll cover it and let it soak for 2 days. This helps soften the shells and release the saponin into the water. After soaking for 2 days, the soap nuts become soft and mushy. Now we have to gently squeeze and separate the seeds from the shells. Here we will only use the shells because they are the part that produces the cleaning foam. Next we will strain the liquid using a clean cotton cloth. This step removes any pulp or residue, giving us a smooth soap liquid. If you are someone who wants to reduce chemicals at home, this is a great natural alternative to commercial soaps. Now we will pour this into a dispenser bottle using a funnel. This is going to be a natural hand wash. As you can see, it lathers lightly and cleanses well. It's completely free from chemicals and parabens and it's gentle on the skin. Now don't throw away what's left. We will add a little water and grind the leftover pulp in a mixer. After grinding, strain it again with the muslin cloth. This natural soap nut liquid is multi-purpose. You can use it for washing utensils. It works as a natural body cleanser. You can even use it as a gentle hair shampoo. As once you rinse it off, it becomes completely odorless, so no smell remains on your skin or hair. The leftover residue can be tied tightly in a cloth and placed inside your washing machine. It works as a natural detergent for clothes. This liquid soap will expire in 1 to 2 weeks since it's 100% natural. So if you want to increase its shelf life, you can add a little vinegar as a natural preservative. Comment down below if you have any questions. Also, I have shared the link to purchase in the description box. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for such DIY videos.